The Synthesis 2010 concept car, despite its conventional appearance, holds great significance due to its aluminum construction, estimated to be 98% recyclable. This lightweight vehicle shares the same interior volume as the Mercury Sable but weighs only 2,250 pounds, a 28% reduction in mass. It was initially designed for a small 1.2-liter three-cylinder two-stroke engine, later replaced with a 1.8-liter four-stroke Escort engine. The reduced mass allows for comparable performance with smaller engines, resulting in greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The intention was to eventually equip the car with alternative fuel motors. Key components of the Ford Synthesis 2010, including the drivetrain, brakes, and suspension arms, extensively use aluminum. The lightweight aluminum unit body is joined using an experimental weld bonding process, combining resistant spot welding and chemical bonding techniques for improved strength, longevity, and reduced noise and vibration. The realization of the Ford Synthesis 2010 was managed by a project team, with notable contributions from Tom Scott, Director of International Design, and Mark Conforzi, International Design Manager. The appearance of the car reflects the limitations imposed by aluminum's tendency to spring back into shape, resulting in a distinctive four-door sedan design with 16 inches cast alloy wheels, a leather-trimmed interior, and blue-faced gauges. The exterior showcases a ceramic blue finish, a semi-transparent coating over polished aluminum panels that shifts in color depending on lighting. Ford Synthesis 2010 symbolizes the goals of the partnership for a new generation of vehicles, an industry initiative aiming for recyclable, fuel-efficient, and low-emission vehicles. Presented at the White House in 1994, it received recognition from President Clinton, Vice President Al Gore, and technology advisor Jack Gibbons, highlighting its importance in the development of practical design that combines engineering and styling.